I have built here a do-it-yourself homemade sous vide cooker. I started with a Dutch oven, a pretty inexpensive item. I added a PID controller to it, and I'll come around to the back side here. So I opened up the Dutch oven, removed the temperature control that existed inside, which is nothing but a bimetallic strip and a mechanical system that presses against it harder or softer depending on what temperature you want. So that might give you 10 degrees plus or minus control. For sous vide you need a much better control. So the PID backside is there. This is a solid state relay. Currently not firing because I'm at the temperature that I need, but it's solid state, so it doesn't make any noise and there's no mechanical contact. So what I did is I just had the two wires going to the heating element come straight out of the machine. I added a thermocouple, and that goes into the bath, so I had to use O-rings to make sure that I don't get any leakage of water. But I'm currently cooking 2 steaks inside. So they've been going for a couple hours now. I think I need to give them a couple more. But here you can see the thermocouple poking into the water bath, and I used heat shrink tubing to make sure that no water could leak out between the threads and the probe itself. And so all that comes out of the machine now is the probe output and the leads that go to the heating element. So the solid state relay turns the heating element on and off, controlled by the PID. So these are all really inexpensive components that you can get from eBay. Here you can see I used a heat sink on the PID, which also separates it from the body of the cooker. When it first heats up, it goes at about 100% duty cycle, so it gets quite hot on the outside of the Dutch oven. And you have to keep the parts away from that heat, of course. But pretty good volume for the cooker, so lots of water. And with the PID controller, I can control the temperature very accurately. So looking forward to my first sous vide steaks.